Okay, so you might be really good at what you do, but that doesn't matter if no one knows that you exist. Yes, you started this business because you're either one, super passionate about what it is that you do, or two, you're like, yeah, I can make a lot of money doing this, right? But your marketing sucks. So that's why you're not getting enough customers. So here are 3 tips to help you level up your marketing so you can start attracting more customers into your business. 1, you need to redefine your brand messaging and be consistent with it. When you're not consistent with your messaging, guess what? You cannot leverage the law of averages to get more customers into your business. When your messaging is constantly changing, not enough people can resonate with you, and then you're losing that know, like, and trust factor, and you need that in place to actually get some customers. Number 2 that you need to do, you need to take your brand message and form a marketing campaign around that, again, because you are being consistent, and lead those individuals to an ultimate offer. That offer that you're leading them to is going to be on a landing page, preferably a landing page and not your website, because people have shiny object syndrome. And when they go to that landing page, they're going to be providing you with their information as an incentive. Your offer is an incentive, right? So that way you can build up your list. So since we're talking about lists, step number 3, you are going to consistently nurture that list to keep building up that know, like, and trust factor, so you can build your pipeline of business. When you're constantly building up your pipeline, guess what? You will be more consistent with having sales come in. So for more tips like this, make sure you guys are following this page, and also go enroll in the Digital Success Circle, which is the community that I created to help entrepreneurs like you build more business online. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.